Good morning, children. Hope you are well at home. Today, we will be doing the second topic in English, where we will learn to use all the letters from A to Z and make new words out of them. Let us begin. Now, children, you all know that there are 26 letters in the English alphabets from A to Z. From these 26 letters, 5 letters that you see in the pink box are called as vowels. Can you read out the vowels loudly from the pink box? A, E, I, O, U. Now children, these vowels are very important when we make new words because they have sounds when we use them. Let us understand the sounds of each vowel. Let's begin with A. A stands for ant, apple. So when we use the vowel A, the sound is A. Next we have the vowel E. E stands for egg, elephant. So when we use E, the sound is A. Then we have the vowel I. I for ink, I for igloo. So the sound of I is E. Then comes the vowel O. O for owl, O for orange. So the sound of O is O. And last we have U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. So when we use U, the sound is A. You need to know these sounds of the vowels. Now the rest of the alphabets can be seen in the blue box. And these alphabets or letters are called as consonants. So in English, remember, we have vowels and we have consonants. Now let's do an activity using these vowels and consonants. Children, you have to learn to make new words. So, you have to use the letters from the blue box along with the letters from the pink box and make a new word. To make it easy, let's use each vowel first and make words with that vowel. For example, let's start with A. So I want you to use the letters from the blue box along with A in the middle. I have made a few words for you. Let's read them. If you look at the first line, I have used the vowel A along with the consonants. So which words could I make? Let us read it. Bat. B-A-T, bat. As you can see, children, I have taken B from the blue box. A is my vowel and T again from the blue box and made the word bat. In the same way, I have made the other words. Cat, rat, cap, sat and van. Now let's go to the next vowel E. The first word I have made is B, E, D, bed. Again, children, I have taken B from the blue box. E is my vowel in the middle and D from the blue box again. The other words using the vowel E are red, men, den, yes, and set. Next we have the vowel I. The words I have made using the consonants and the vowel I are bin, sit, is, sin, bit, will. Then comes the vowel O. Which are the words using O? Dog, log, mob, pot, sob, rob. And the last vowel is U. Which are the words using U? Bun, rub, sun, bug, mug, and cut. So children, did you see? We have made so many new words using consonants and vowels. Now children, at home, I would like you to do the same. But try out some new words. They have to be words that I have not made. Moving on, let us hear this story. This is a classroom filled with students. The teacher has entered the classroom and the teacher says, "Good morning, children." The children reply back,
Good morning, teacher.
Now teacher calls a girl outside. Can you see there's a girl standing next to the teacher? Teacher asks her, "What is your name?" The girl answers,
My name is Tejal.
Then teacher asks her, "What is the first letter of your name?" Tejal answers.
T.
Then teacher asks her, "What is the last letter of your name?" Tejal answers.
L.
Now teacher says, "How many letters are there in your name?" Tejal answers.
T. E. J. A. L. There are 5 letters in my name.
The teacher says, "Tell me any word that begins with the first letter of your name." Tejal answers.
Tiger.
So children, did you see how this little girl named Tejal spelt out her name? She also recognized the first and the last letter in her name. She also counted how many letters were there in her name. And she made a new word with the first letter of her name. Isn't that wonderful? Yes. Just like Tejal, I want you to do an activity at home. Take a piece of paper. First, write down your name. Next, write down the first letter of your name. Then, write down the last letter of your name. Then I want you to count the letters in your name and write down how many letters are there. Name any word that begins with the first letter of your name. Also, name any word that begins with the last letter of your name. Please do this activity at home, children. So, children, that's all for today. Do practice writing words using the vowels and consonants, and also do the name activity. The more you practice making words, the faster you will learn to speak very good English. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.